Hello. What I have here is these power banks charging this new power bank up. It only ran for a few minutes, but as you can see, I'm charging it through this little small power bank. And I had it plugged in all the time. It's only 55 watts and turn it on. Right there. And I got two in power rush and these two plugs over here in the top of this right here. I shouldn't be using the main battery energy. It should have pass through. It was fully charged up. I think there's a flaw in the measurements of the voltage, the watts. And when it's plugged up, you see it's all, everything's active. But watch this, shouldn't show 8 hours. I don't understand why it does that. But watch. I have these two charging it, two power banks. It shouldn't be doing that. It should have pass through. It's got DC input and AC input. It sees it there. But it shouldn't be charging the unit. This is the new one I just got. EGRETECH. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. If this battery is fully charged, why is it taking charge? It should have pass through. Other YouTubers show that this thing is, has pass through. Obvious they're not doing the test right, or something's going on with their products. Or maybe I got a fluke. I don't know. I know it works fast. It does 400 watts and 500 watts. I tested that. But you have to have charging from both sides, and you have to have something that's able to put out 410 from the AC, and it only allows 100 watts inside when it's doing dual charge. It comes up to like 580. It is a fast charger. I didn't really go thoroughly with it, but my problem is, it shouldn't be taking a charge going through pass through. I got two energy bars right here. I got two things powering it right here. And then I don't see why it's taking a charge. You can see for yourself, only had it for a few minutes. But then when I noticed too, after like a few minutes, it says 5 minutes, then stop charging, and it says 0, 0. I don't know. The measurements are off. The amount of voltage that it uses is not coinciding with the meter. I'm waiting for. I want to show you something. It was only on for a few minutes, and it killed the battery. It started killing the battery right away. I am not being sponsored from this company, so my opinion is my opinion. I paid out of pocket for it. And, personally, I like the way it charges. It does charge fast to a certain point. I have to check more, do more. See how that just happened? See what I'm talking about? 10 minutes, and then it goes 0. That's my proof that this measurements are not right in watts. If it says 10 minutes, I like when the thing says 10 minutes, it's 10 minutes. If it says 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 2 minutes. Really, it should be no minutes. Now I cut my other unit. My unit cut off because it stopped charging. This unit won't cut off, it'll stay on. But this has a smart charger on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it back on. Takes a while, I don't know why it does that. Make sure my plug is in. Let me turn it, let me hit it again. There you go. Let me turn on the power bank. Saying 52 watts. I want to show you something what it does. It's only been on for a few minutes. Watch this. There you go. Watch. How's that pass through? And if it's doing that, watch. It was only on for about a minute. Well, 1 minute of running, and look what I have to go through. Well, 1 minute of 55 watts should be really not being used off the battery. I don't know what's going on with the internals of this power station, but it is not accurate. So how does, like, see what I'm saying? 3 minutes versus a half a minute of charging. I don't know. And then it's supposed to be pass-through charging. So it is what it is. I'm not sure about this. It's just not working out. If anybody has this problem, you know, leave a message showing it the indication that you're having an issue with your EGRETECH, whatever it is. I'm not happy with it. Thank you. Have a nice day.